Hi, I'm Dr. F. Ram, Director at International Institute for Population Sciences. By training, I'm a demographer and statistician. Basically, I worked on various aspects of mortality, fertility, and public health issues, generating database which is used in decision making as well as communicating to students different research issues concerned with public health and mortality. Beyond medical field, I think it is basically many of the social positions of population subgroups and individual do matter as far as access to public health is concerned, and they are key in fact in determining the utilization of available public health facility. If we look into human rights framework, are we moving towards universal health coverage? Social inequity becomes very important, as I think, and unless we address the social inequity in health, human rights approach or universal health coverage will remain incomplete. Many research evidences which pointed out the poor utilization of public health services and poor health of the underprivileged population led to many policies, and key important policy came up with National Rural Health Mission, where the JSY, Janani Suraksha Yojana, attempt to finance the loss of money by traveling to facilities and staying in the facility for a few days, compensate through financial assistance. That I feel is the one strongest point or policy decision of the government to bridge the gap between rich and poor as far as utilization of services for institutional delivery, immunization of children is concerned. Data generated at IIPS through district level household survey or national family health service, they are used two ways. One, by researchers who generate evidences and inform the policy makers those evidences, and policy makers, our system actually uses those information to evaluate or monitor their program and take corrective measures. I feel very strongly that such data, particularly at the district levels, are being used to plan, implement and monitor the program. Young researchers, they need to focus more from human rights perspective and look into the determinants and also emphasize wherever the human rights are being violated or the health utilizations are being remove those barriers which really do not or prevent people to utilize the health services.